Okay, let's get into some work. Before we continue, make sure you have this page in front of you because we're actually going to do this entire page together. 1A through D. There's 4 questions down here at the bottom. Okay? So make sure you have this paper in front of you. If you don't, pause this video and go grab it because we're going to do this all together. If you don't have it at your house, of course, you can use the one on Seesaw. Now, if you think back to our target, we talked about how we're trying to find patterns in multiplication and division. And we're doing that by using our multiplication table. And here is an example of a multiplication table. Now, this multiplication table just has our multiplication problems in there. There aren't any answers. So the very first part of this says write the products into the squares as fast as you can. Now, before we begin, let's talk about this word right here. Whoops, gotta get my pencil out. Products. What is a product? If you said the answer to a multiplication problem, you are correct. You need to answer all of these as fast as you can. So right below this video, there's a timer. It's a count up timer. So you're going to push play and then you're going to see you're going to get all of these done and then you're going to see how long it took you and you're going to put your time right there. Same goes on Seesaw. Okay, so you're going to do as many of these as you can. Actually, no, I'm sorry. You're going to do all of these as fast as you can. Okay, as soon as you're done, look up and you're going to put your time right here.